Okay, I'm taping. That was the 100th time we taped this, and finally there's a strike. It wasn't the first time. Okay, honey, it's my turn.
No, not yet.
Is it?
No, I just had.
No, I'm up. Yeah, you got a strike.
Oh, okay. I'm excited.
Okay.
Here you go. Let's see if we can do what I just did. Done. Concentrate. Wall jumps. Dad, did you see what I just did?
We saw it, honey.
Take that. You know you can do the same.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the reassuring words. I appreciate it.
What? Come on, Kuya. Let's do it.
Oh, almost, Mikey, almost.
Look at that, look.
All right, we're watching. Because we had 20 points to your score. Yeah, not this time. You get another one. Oh, look, Jam, good one. Roll, bounce. Oh, there it is. Almost. 8.
Let's see if you can do that. That's 7. It's good.
Just missing.
You're winning, Jams.
I won by 24. I was so higher than Korea. How?
Well, you still have a couple more shots.
Oh, yeah. First game, that's all. Okay, it's the last one. I only had 102.
Who won already?
You got to shoot for your last one.
For you, babe.
All right, yeah. Gutter ball. What? I was talking to John. You got it. Almost.
How the girl do it, babe?
That was good. That was good. $20 says you miss that.
How much?
$20.
20 bucks?
$20.
If I miss what?
I'll pay you $20.
If I miss
Or if you make it, I'll pay you 20. If you miss, you pay me 20 bucks.
I don't know what I'm gonna do for $2, Ben.
20 bucks if you're not going to make that.
How much is it right now? I can't tell.
What? You're winning by 25. Oh, cool, you got a strike there.
How come a number 40 and another
I'm not paying.
What? You're gonna pay me $20, mister.